Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your virtual piano teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of this channel. I'm leaving the link in the description of this video, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel, Gianluca Fronda, pianist and composer, if you're interested in original music and covers. Talking about this channel, don't forget to subscribe and let me know about yourself by commenting. Tell me when you have started, if you're finding my channel interesting and you're improving your skills also thanks to my videos. And don't forget also to share with your friends if there is anybody interested in piano music, anybody that you know. So now time to go to our lesson. Today is time to play for you Broken Chord Etude on page 31 of the John Thompson C6 Piano Course Part 3. This is a very interesting chapter. Maybe many times I say the same things, but it is. We are applying the inversions that we have learned in page 29, because in the previous one, in the chord capers, we have simply played the chords in the root position, also when played broken. Here we are definitely applying the inversions. We will analyze one by one. Let me play first of all at the final, let's say final speed. Let me play first at high speed, then I will explain a few things, and then again at slower speed. Anyways, it's not supposed to be that fast because andantino is part of the slow tempos. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Rest, rest. Now let's talk about the position. First of all, let's start from the second bar. The second bar obviously has the hand in position Thompson part 1, thumb on the middle C. The left hand is as the position, one of the main position of Thompson part 2, little finger on the C that is to the left of the middle C, and then accordingly the other fingers follow. Indeed, is the C major broken chord in root position. So we play indeed. So both hands are playing a C major broken chord in root position. Then what happened? That you move the left hand in first inversion, and the right follows. So from here to here, the left from here to here. That's quite easy. I keep saying that if you have problems understanding, give importance to page 29. Going back to the first inversion, that is about bar number 3 and bar number 4. I've just played these two bars. And now what happened here? That you have to simply, and let's go back to the keyboard, we move the left hand first in second inversion, little finger on the G, and the right follows. Let the sound raise, and then big chord, G major chord in root position on both sides, exactly here. Then what happened after 2 counts of rest? You start going down again, but now something is changing. At the beginning, not that much, it's simply the last broken chord before the G major chord that has been inverted. Starting now from the top note, you do E, C, G. So E, C, G, E, C, G. Exactly what you did before playing the stationary G major chord in bar number 2 and 3 of the second line. But then, the interesting thing is that now, at the beginning of the third line, going down from the top note to the bottom note, you have F major in root position. So you play F major with the right, F major with the left. And then, one even bigger change is the G major in first inversion in the right hand and in the left hand, starting from the G, both sides, then chick, chick, chick. How do you come from the beginning of the third line? We had simply the little finger has to go on the G, and the thumb on the G. And to end, we have the C major chord in root position in the right, and on the left side we have simply the root, the C. Okay, so this is the analysis of the whole piece. Mind also the dynamics. Let me play now slower. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One, rest, rest. Two, three, one, rest, rest. I think you have noticed that I prepare the new position of the hand while, for example, in this case, the left is resting. So while the right hand is playing, I get ready and I move the left hand up. While here the left is playing, I move up the right. It is obviously something that needs time, patience. You have to persevere to get it. So study slowly, slowly, mastering one by one the changes, but in a way that you play, for example, the second bar, and then you play the third bar, getting ready to move the left up while you play the second bar. So you play the second bar of the first line with the right hand, yeah, and you get ready with the second, with the left hand. And now you can do the same while you play the left hand in bar number 3. You get ready moving up the right hand from this position to this one. I show you what I mean. I bring back the right hand in the position you had in the second bar, you do with the left. Now in the third bar, and you get ready. And this is the same. So you can apply this method all over the piece, for the whole piece. It will definitely help. I don't think that there is anything else that should be mentioned. Anyways, if you have any question, anything that I didn't mention, that I didn't consider important to be mentioned, feel free to comment, to let me know. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Thanks, bye.